Welcome to this lecture, guys. So in this lecture you will understand injective function, or it is also called as one-to-one function. So guys, we know that between any two sets A and set B there are different kinds of functions possible, right? Like for an example, we learned in the previous lectures that there can be a function from A to B such that this is mapped to this is mapped to this, and this is mapped to this. This is a function. Or there can be another mappings between A and B such that A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 1 is mapped to 4, 2 is mapped to 5, and 3 is mapped to 6. This is also a function. One element of set B is associated with more than one elements of set A. Like here element 4 is an image of two elements 1 and 2. But here if you see this function, then here all the elements of B are associated with just one element of set A, right? Such a mapping is called as one-to-one function from A to B. Alright, so by definition a function f from A to B is injective or one-to-one function if for every element B in the codomain of B there exists at most one A such that f of A equals to B. So for an example, if I say that there is a function from A to B such that it has these kinds of ordered pairs 1 comma A, 2 comma A, 3 comma B, then you have to tell is it one-to-one or not. Alright, then your answer will be no, it is not one-to-one. Why not one-to-one? Because if you see, this is the element from set B and it is mapped to more than one elements of set A. So if you try to draw the mapping for this, it will look like this. This is set A, this is set B. It has 1, 2, 3 and it has two elements A and B. So A is an image of two elements, this as well as this, and it is like this. So this is not one-to-one because element A from set B is mapped to more than one elements of set A. So not one-to-one. Clear? So one-to-one is actually with reference to the elements of set B. Any element of set B should not be mapped with more than one element of set A. Alright, in that case it will be a one-to-one function. Clear with the concept, guys? So for an example, if I say that you have a function from n to n, n stands for natural number. So basically I am trying to say that there is a function from set A to set B such that set A is a set of natural numbers, set B is also a set of natural numbers, such that fx equals to 2x, or you can also replace this fx with the letter say y equals to 2x. Alright, so then will this function be one-to-one or not? You have to answer that. So for one-to-one you are trying to say that basically this is nothing but a function from set A to set B such that set A contains elements x, set Y contains elements y, and this also has this set x is a set of natural numbers and y is again a set of natural numbers because this is from natural number to natural number. This is domain, this is codomain, this is the domain, and this is codomain. Alright, so we mark this. So now if we see that whatever x you give, suppose I give x equals to 1, then y will have value 2. If I give x equals to 2, y will have 2 times of 2 which is 4, and if I give x equals to 3, y will have 6, and so on till infinity, because natural numbers can go till infinity. So you can see that every element of y will be mapped to just one and one element of set A, like this. It will never be possible that you get y equals to 2 for two different values of x, right? It will not be possible. So this is a one-to-one function. Alright, while if you see another example where f is from real number to real number and fx is given by x square, alright, or you can say y is equals to x square, then guys, do you think this is one-to-one? Well, the answer is no. This is not one-to-one. The reason is if I give x equals to -1, I get y equals to -1 whole square, which is 1, and if I give x equals to 1 also, I again get y equals to 1 square, which is 1. So this means y equals to 1 is associated with more than one elements of set x. Like if we draw it like this, x y. Then if I write it here as -1 0 1 2, or similarly -2 and so on here and so on here, then you can see that here 0 1 2 3 4, clearly all y elements will only be positive, because square of any number is always positive. But if I see here, if I mark it here, I can see that -1 is also giving me 1 and 1 is also giving me 1. Similarly 2 will also give me 4 and -2 will also be mapped to 4, because square of -2 is also 4 and the square of 2 is also 4. So this is not 1 to 1, because we are getting the same element y for two different values of x. Alright guys, or you can say that one single element of y is mapped to more than one elements of set x. Alright guys, so this is not 1 to 1. Clear with the concept of 1 to 1?